Hello students, welcome back to KV Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. In this video, we are going to discuss about electric motors. So first of all, we will come to know about definition of electric motor. So electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So today we will learn the construction and working method, principle, these all things. First of all, principle, on what basis it works. So electric motor works on the principle of force experienced by a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. When electric current is passed through a rectangular coil in a magnetic field, right angle to magnetic field, a force which is perpendicular to both rectangular coil and magnetic field works on it and rotates the coil. So this is the principle. Electric motor work on the principle of force experienced in a magnetic field by current carrying conductor. When electric current is passed through this coil, so there a force will be generated which will be the perpendicular to the coil and magnetic field both, and with this force this coil will rotate. Now here is construction. Armature coil. First of all, armature coil. Here you can see ABCD is a rectangular coil. This is armature coil which have many turns of copper wires on it. Strong field magnet. Electric motor consists of strong field magnet. The armature coil is placed between two strong poles, north and south poles. After that, split rings. You can see here R1 and R2. These two are split rings. Split rings change the direction of current. After that, brushes. You can see the two ends of coil are welded to two brushes B1 and B2. These are carbon brush. After that, battery. You can see here battery connected to the coil. This is used to provide current in electric motor. So these are construction. Armature coil, ABCD, which have many turns of copper wire on it. Strong field magnet. You can see here north and south poles of magnets. Between that, armature coil is placed. Here two split rings R1 and R2 are there, which is welded to the coil ends and brushes B1 and B2. These are carbon brush and battery. After that, working. How it works. So you can see the connection here, how it is connected. When current is passed through coil ABCD, so it will experience the force from the perpendicular on it. Due to this force, it will rotate. The force will be equal and opposite to it. Due to this, first of all, it will rotate 180 degree. After 180 degree rotation, the arms of coil will be changed. So after 180 degree, this A will come to here, B will be here, and C will be here, and D will be here. So after 180 degree, the arms of coil will change. In this stage, the split rings, you can say it commutator also, because commutator is a device which is used to change the direction of electric current. So in this stage, commutator change the direction of electric current and ensure that the current is flowing in the same direction. So the motor continues to rotate. Due to this rotation, some induced current will be produced in it. So this is the working method, how electric motor works. Uses of electric motors. There is various application of electric motors in our daily life also. In washing machine, fans, and many other machines like mixers and blenders, electric cars. Everywhere electric motor is used. So today we discussed about electric motors. That's all. Thank you.